Hello and welcome to this video. As you guys already know, I like people to achieve financial freedom and create impact via investing. But you might have noticed that I avoid using the words passive income quite often, and the reason is that it has become a very widely used buzzword that many people use quite often, but they don't understand the real meaning of it. So I feel as though there is some sort of misconception or misunderstanding due to which people view passive income as an ATM machine which spills money on autopilot, or a way to possess some sort of a magical tree which grows money without us doing anything. But realistically speaking, when we look at the things pragmatically, we will understand that this is the very reason due to which the guys like Gary Vaynerchuk have a very different view about passive income. So, in short, it is not the money that falls from the sky or totally free money that drops in your mailbox from somewhere in paradise. It is, in fact, the money which you make as a reward of effort which you put initially, or else money that you invest initially to reap the rewards after that. But don't get overwhelmed, since, as I will explain, anyone with any skill level in any situation can generate passive income by focusing on 5 key areas which we will discuss in this video. So the 3 things which you must remember before setting up ways to create passive income are: number one, you must create value. Okay, you must create value. And the second thing is you must have something to offer. And the third thing is, as I said already, you have to either invest time upfront or money upfront to create passive income. So essentially, passive income is the income which is not directly tied to your time. So if you have created an online course or made a YouTube video or written an ebook, you have done the work. You have done the work once, meaning spend time upfront to create it, and after that it creates cash flow for you as people buy these digital products or services, or let's say in the case of YouTube, as people watch your videos, the ads run on those videos, and as a result those videos generate ad revenue for you. And after that initial effort, you get income with little to no time spent from that point onwards. Now let's go through an example where you spend money upfront. So let's say you bought the stocks of a company or a house and you spent money upfront. And after that, the house generates rental income without any time spent from your side. And you can make it absolutely passive if a company or someone manages it for you. So here you spend your money upfront and not so much of your time to build a house or create a company and so on. But once you have acquired these assets, for example, a house or the stocks of a company, they generate rental income or dividends for you as passive income. Now, of course, all stocks don't pay dividends, but you got the point. And if you watch the video till the end, you will know that it is not just about the actual creation of digital content. For example, on YouTube you can make videos and then you can create digital products like ebooks, etc. But you must also understand that these creations of yours are actually a result of the 5 key areas on which you can focus no matter what your situation is, to really set up these income streams in a very solid manner and then later on leverage on them to create passive income. Now the first 4 areas will give you passive income when you invest your time upfront, and later on you just have to maintain that income stream with negligible effort. So this is where you share, and sharing is a good thing because, as we say in England, sharing is caring. And when you share value packed content with your audience, they subconsciously feel cared and loved, and this will create loyal fans also. The 5th area is related to investing your wealth, where you don't have to put any time upfront, or let's say very little of your time upfront. You park your money either in an index fund, some shares, or shares and index funds wrapped in an ISA account or Roth IRA account if you are living in UK and USA respectively, for tax benefits, and the money works for you to create more of it for you. So now let's go through each of these 5 areas one by one. So the first area is selling your existing skills irrespective of your skill level. You have to remember that many people are in the very initial stages of learning a skill, so there is always a market for the beginner courses also. So anyone with a skill or any skill level can monetize their existing skills to generate passive income, and that passive income can come from what you do actively. For example, my book on Amazon, The Non-Conformist Salesperson, and also my Udemy course, which is based on this book, and also the Skillshare course, which is again based on this book, are a result of my B2B sales skills. And overall, of course, my course on Udemy and Skillshare are a very brief part of my sales coaching program, which is again called the Non-Conformist Salesperson. But even then, it is a complete value-packed training on its own, which gives people a lot of value because people can use this skill to create enormous impact and generate a lot of wealth in any area. For example, the real estate or automotive industry or any other industry. So in short, I actually monetized my sales skills. You can package the overall value that you can offer at different price points for different audiences to give value to people from all over the world. So I don't teach the mindset part, and also there is no one-on-one coaching and some other parts there in my Udemy and Skillshare courses. But there is still a mind-blowing value for just 20 or 30 US dollars on Udemy, and the same course can be taken on Skillshare by paying a small membership fee. So in order to monetize your skills or sell your existing skills in the form of online courses or ebooks, you have to ask yourself, which skills do you have? And it can be any skill such as roller skating, skateboarding, preparing for exams efficiently, if you are very good academically, dieting based on your story and how you reduce some weight if you have done that in the past, sales, marketing, business development, or anything else that comes to your mind where you can add value to people. No, you definitely don't need to be an expert in anything to sell digital products online. In fact, there are many people, as I said, with beginner and intermediate level skills than experts. And they will definitely be interested in your content. There is a market for everything, so don't get caught up in a procrastination mindset and imposter syndrome, and just share and see what comes out of it. And the results might surprise you. Now you might ask yourself the questions, which level of skill do you have? Is it a beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level? And any unique touch of yours which you can bring to the table which can add value to the people's lives. And once you have identified that, now it is the time to ask yourself which platform you can leverage to create enormous impact. For example, it can be Udemy, it can be Skillshare, or it can be a YouTube playlist for each of your skill where you can upload the videos in the form of tutorials related to each of your skill, and you can generate revenue from those playlists in the form of ads revenue. And I strongly recommend these books from Ashton Kleon. The first one is Show Your Work. It will take you out of the procrastination mode and it will destroy the imposter syndrome. The second book is Steal Like an Artist. And the third book from Ashton Kleon is Keep Going. And let me tell you that these three books changed my life. So if you are starting off your journey to create passive income through online courses or ebooks or by sharing your knowledge or expertise, I strongly recommend that you read these books. They are simply amazing. And the second area is share your journey. Meaning distribute the content related to your journey online even if you are starting from zero. People often are always interested in your journey, and it will motivate masses or many people to see you improving each day. You can even start a YouTube channel and share your progress with the people by making YouTube videos and sharing them on the same YouTube channel so that people can know about you, and before you know, the ads revenue and other possibilities will simply shock you. And journey should not be just confined to skills. So just like any person on earth, you must have seen some ups and downs in your life, and as time goes by, We are faced with new challenges, we move to new places, we go to college to study something, or let's say we become parent, or we might overcome some big health issue in our lives. So you can share your journey with anyone, and that journey can be related to skills that you are learning, country that you have moved to, the start of a new career, or anything that you feel can add value to the lives of other people, because many people might be in the initial phases of the journey that you have already gone through quite a bit, and it helps them to remove the anxiety and fears and take the leap of faith and move forward. So for many people this has a lot of value and it gives them certainty, and that is okay. So that definitely works, and they subconsciously tell themselves, let's follow the footstep of this person and see if it works in their country, in their life situation, and so on. This saves them time, and what else could be better value than that? Time is the non-replenishable resource. So as far as I am concerned, I share my journey with people about my YouTube channel growth, about the stocks that I am interested in, about the ongoing learning related to blockchain technology, and so on. This brings a lot of value to people, and this is how they get quality content that can benefit them, and I generate ads revenue. But honestly, money was not the goal in the first place. The main aim is to share the journey in these areas of my life with other people so that they can learn and then explore those areas in their own life also in their own unique ways. And the third area is sharing your passion. So sharing your passion related to anything which you think can bring you fulfillment. So this can be your hobbies and interests also. Now for your living, you might be doing things which you are not passionate about. So why not convert passions into profits too as a side income? So if you like playing guitar, or if you like downhill skiing, if you like food of different countries, why not share it with other people and make money from that? They get value and you make money as a result. So this can once again be done by creating digital products or content. Sharing your passion with people who are passionate about the same things as yours can bring them lots of fulfillment, and the value which they can get from it in the form of increased fulfillment levels is outstanding, and they will be having far more happier lives. And what else is better than bringing happiness to the lives of people? And remember that when people feel happy, their overall productivity also goes up, and as a result, they do well in all aspects of their lives. So why wouldn't you share your passion with people, which brings you the fulfillment and brings fulfillment to other people also? We get life once. If we are not fulfilled or happy, what is even the point of making money? So if you focus on this area, the money which you can make can again be in the form of content that you create on social media or on YouTube. And they can also be digital courses and ebooks, etc. Once again, about me, I share the things that I am passionate about on YouTube, on Skillshare, on Udemy, as I already explained, and you can do the same. And the fourth area is start investing and share what you learned with people. No matter which level of expertise you have in your investing journey, don't be shy to share your experiences, and also don't be shy to share your mistakes also. Remember that people are always interested to make their money work for them, and at some point in your life, hopefully it is much earlier, you will start acquiring the stocks of companies or invest in real estate to create passive income, and you can share the dividend payments from stocks, the rental incomes from properties, and the way your index funds are growing with people from all over the world. And the beauty of this is that you will be making an audience, and to that audience you can add further value by offering your digital products or services to them. And you must remember that by focusing on these 5 areas, the fifth one, we will just come to that in a moment. So in all these 5 areas, if you focus on them, the passive income streams which they create actually consolidate each other also. And the results can really be mind-blowing and so impactful that it will create a good, amazing and outstanding personal brand for you also, as it has done for me. So generating revenue from YouTube ads revenue and also providing great value at a very minimal cost to your audience via platforms such as Patreon or other membership sites can be amazing. ways to create passive income. Currently, I don't use Patreon, but I am planning to do that later this year or early next year when I think that I have a streamlined and brilliant value centric subscription to offer, which will help my audience in their investment journey. And the fifth one is to actually invest your wealth. And that is different from the fourth one, where you actually shared your investment journey with other people and generated passive income as a result of that by adding value to the lives of people. So in this area, you basically focus on investing your wealth or park your wealth in certain places such as real estate or shares of the companies, and then you generate income from that. For example, in case of real estate, you will generate rental income. And if you possess the stocks of companies that pay dividends, they will generate dividend income for you. But here it is not about sharing, but actually consolidating your wealth over time through great investment strategies. So you can invest your wealth in several ways, and it shouldn't make you think that you need $1 million to start or something. In fact, you can start with something as little as $100 by using different online brokers, which will only take around 20 minutes for you to get started. So as I explained already, nowadays it is even simpler since you just need to download an app such as Robinhood or Freepay, which you can install on your mobile phone and sign up for their service, which is as easy as signing up on your Deliveroo or Uber Eats app to deliver your favorite food to your doorstep. So it just takes a few minutes and they will ask you for some information, and that is it. So in this way, you can start off your investment journey very quickly. And the cool thing is that you can invest in index funds, ETFs or mutual funds or individual stocks if you want to. If you want to know about the index funds, mutual funds and ETFs and the differences between them, please follow the link above to the video where I have gone through all these different types of funds and the differences between them in detail. Therefore, if we are not generating any passive income, it only shows one thing, and that is the limitation of our beliefs, since anyone with any skill and any situation can generate passive income, as I have explained already. I hope that you like the content of this video. If you will like to see such videos that will help you in creating money in long term and also help you in analyzing stocks and finding new ways of making money, please subscribe to this channel. Press the notifications bell and select the option all so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos as soon as they are released. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.